guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm bringing you guys my favorite sets. Let's get started with the video. The first set of squishies that I have here are these poly flat buns, and these are literally like some of my favorite squishies ever. You guys know how much I love buns, and these are literally just like an upgrade. Here is the next design. I am missing one design, I know, but I just can't find it anywhere. So, yeah. Next one. And finally, this has to be my favorite one. I just love the cake design on this, and it seems like it has a lot of whipped cream, which sounds perfect. The next set of squishies that I have here are these mini Yumeno sheeps. These are so nice in thin repack. You can really feel how soft they are. Plus they're pearlescent. Here's a rainbow one. I really don't know which design is my favorite. So if you guys have a favorite design, please comment down below so I can know. Usually people's favorite designs are usually the white or the original one. But I don't know. In this case, I think I do really like the purple one and the pink one. And the blue face is also super cute and relatable as well. This one looks like it's super happy and it's even drooling. It's like my face when I see bubble tea though. Here is a crying face. It's how I feel when I train sometimes. The next two items are these two beautiful buns, and these are super pretty and really soft. The texture is literally on point. Here is the galaxy one. Do you guys prefer rainbow or galaxy? My favorite color theme would be galaxy. Here are the next two squishies. I am not sure if there are more to this set. There's none that I know of. So, yeah. These two are super soft and it is super nice to squish. This one is a strawberry bunny cake design, and this one is macaron. Comment down below. I'd love to see what you guys prefer. Personally, I would say I like cakes better because macarons are a little bit too sweet for me. The next three squishies are these three Yummy Bear ice cream cones, and these are some of my favorite squishies, I gotta say. Design and the scent, especially that scent, smells kind of weird. This one smells kind of weird, but the squish on it is still super cute. Mine has to be matcha because I'm a huge fan of matcha. Here's the last one. This is also my favorite design. Here is my last set, sheep cream puffs. It's just a really amazing squishy, plus it's cheaper than most eye blooms. So if you can get your hands on these, definitely you should. Here's the pink one. It is this galaxy one. I have this white one as well. This one is my second favorite. Here is the final squishy. This one is super soft. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love these squishies super much. Please comment down below which set is your favorite and which set would you most like to have. See you in my next post next week. Bye!